What's up, guys? Well, you requested it, so I finally considered doing it. I'm going to do some reviews in the future over the summer of some gas station cigars, some super cheap cigar options. Most times they're flavored just because the actual tobacco is something that you probably don't want to taste. We will see. We will see. I will go into this completely unbiased. Just because these are super cheap does not mean that they're bad. I'm going to try each one individually and tell you my honest opinions on it. This is something that's been asked of me since my very first cigar review on YouTube. People have always wanted to know. Not everyone wants to go out and spend, you know, $7 or $10 on a single cigar, nor do they want some of the bigger gauge cigars. Plus, there's a lot of people that are interested in cigars, but they just don't have the availability. They don't want to order them online or something. These are cigars that are pretty much all over the place. So I literally asked the guy to just give me a couple that were really popular, things that people bought all the time. So that's what he did. He gave me a little variety here. I got some Backwoods, extremely popular, Dutch Master, Swisher Sweets, White Owls. I think all these are flavored. Now he did throw in something else which I was surprised by. He gave me a pack of wraps. If you don't know, wraps are just the cigar leaf. There's nothing inside. It's not a smokable cigar. This is to roll your own cigar. Now we all know what people buy these for, but I am going to actually roll a cigar with pipe tobacco. And we're going to experiment with that. I'm not sure what pipe tobacco I'm going to do yet, but this one is apple flavored, so I have to consider that, you know, as far as the tobacco inside goes. Obviously you want something that's going to go well with apple, so a little experiment. I wasn't planning on that, but that's certainly something. So I don't want it to go to waste. I will definitely roll a pipe cigar. We'll see how that turns out. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if this is something you're looking forward to or if you just don't care. Either way, these videos will be sporadically done, you know, throughout the summer. Every now and again, I'll do one and I'll see if people are watching them, I'll do more of them. If no one really watches them, I'll stop doing it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let me know down below if you smoke gas station cigars. Actually smoke the cigars, not cut them open and make your own, as we all know most people are doing with these things. Let me know what your favorite one is and why. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.